Hi folks, now I just found out some information from one of my students over the weekend what I was not aware of. Now, one of the problems that people have had with massage courses is if they study massage, they need to be qualified for massage. However, and this is the really interesting bit, I didn't realize. Now I don't know about Australia, I don't know about Europe. This person happened to come from the United States, and she was asking me about the Thai reflexology course, and she believes that it's the same as all reflexology, which means in many of the states you don't need to be licensed. Now I'm going to check up on this. I've written to the Reflexology Association of America on their Facebook page, and I'm waiting to hear back, so I will update you. But this could be really potentially great news for you, that you could do the reflexology course of mine and get out and start earning money. Now I've got this. Now I'm going to put the link in the notes here for you. This is from reflexologist.com under laws. As I say, I'll give you this thing, but it says here city and state legal requirements for the practice of reflexology. Now this is in the United States. Now it's got all of the states down here, so you need to check where you live. But let me show you here. Or tell you, because I can't show you. Alaska has no requirements. Now Arizona said reflexologists were written out of massage therapy licensing enacted in 2003. It says here, massage is defined by law as the manual application of compression, stretch, vibration or mobilization of the organs and tissues beneath the dermis, including the components of the musculoskeletal system, periphery vessels of the circulatory system and fasciae, when applied primarily to parts of the body other than the hands, feet and head. So what they're saying is, there are no requirements in Arizona. There are so many of these that you don't need licensing for. Now, some you do, but let me just give you a bit of a heads up on this. Connecticut, no requirements. Idaho, no requirements. Illinois, no requirements. Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, no requirements. Maine, Maryland, and it goes on and on and on. Montana, Nevada, New Jersey, all of these, no requirements. New Mexico, no requirements. North Carolina, no requirements. Pennsylvania, Ohio, Rhode Island, South Carolina, all of these, Texas, no requirement. Utah, Vermont, Virginia. So all of these places have no requirements. So check it out, because this could be a fantastic way that you can start earning money if this is what you want to do by doing the reflexology course. So I wanted to share that with you, and because I had no idea. And again, I don't know about other countries as well. I am going to check up for you, and I'll update this post. But yeah, if maybe you want to change career or earn some extra money, by the looks of this, from what I've seen, you can do this. So I'm going to keep you posted on this. I will keep updating this to find out what I can find out for you.